Everybody, Fatima got her packages from Amazon and we wanted to open it with you. I opened the boxes because I'm videoing. Okay, let's see what we have in your box. Here. Wow! She got Baby Bum Detangler Spray. It's for the hair. It's very good. Okay, this is mommy ordered this for you. Okay, this is the best detangler for the conditioner detangler for the toddlers. Okay, let's open that. What do you have here? Ooh, the box fell. It's okay. We got another slime. This is my second one I'm purchasing. This is the second one I'm purchasing, and I have videos on it that we're making it. We're gonna make more for you today, and it comes with the add-ins. We got another one. Here you go. Okay. We have this. Okay, so put this on the side. Put this on the side. What do we have in this box? What is this? Show the camera. Put it here. We're gonna make videos with this. Her playing with this. Play-Doh cash register. What is this? This is the Play-Doh. Wait, don't rip it open. Play-Doh cash register. We're gonna make a video of her playing with it later. And this is what is in here. Let me see here. Open. It's stuck. Okay, I got it. Just 1 second. 1 second. What's the Play-Doh thing? What's this? There we go. And of course, you need Play-Doh, right? So we got Play-Doh for her. Put everything on the table. Here. So everyone could see what we got today. You can open it, just wait. Let's put it on the table. Here you go. So let's see. Ooh, we got a lot of colors. Okay. You got black. This is black. This is black. Okay, so we got the Elmer's Glue clear slime and the add-ins. This is the best clear slime you could use. We have 2 videos of it. We have the Play-Doh cash register. We're gonna make a video of her playing with it later. And we got the Baby Bum Detangler. It's the best. I got this for her, but I just wanted to add in the video since it came with the package. And we got how many Play-Dohs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got 10 Play-Dohs. 10 Play-Dohs we got. And we got black. Black. Okay, she wants the white. We got white. This is like a turquoise. Yellow. Orange. Green. Pink. This is like a mint green. We'll say a mint green. Mint green. Red. And purple. that's what we got. And we're gonna make videos doing the slime later. We have 2 videos, but we're gonna do videos. I got extra surprise add-ins. I'm gonna let her do it, and even 2.5-year-olds could do the slime. It's not just for adults, and I will show you how easy it is for them. And the cash register. This is all we got today in the delivery. Yeah, you're happy? You're happy? Yeah? Okay. Thank you everybody for watching, and we're gonna make a video of her doing the slime later. We're gonna make a video, a nice video. The Play-Doh cash register we're gonna open later, and all her colors she's gonna be playing with it. Okay, bye everybody. Thank you. Bye.